Alright guys, just got the BitBar. This is the box. Opening it up. There we go. BitBar. This slot normally comes empty. I already kind of messed around with it to make sure. But you basically push in the little ball there and insert the letters into each rows, and can supposedly fit up to 24. I haven't figured that out yet, but for sure you can fit up to 12 words without hiding, or so 12 full words. There's a BitBar. You can see, inserted this into here, and that'll keep it pretty secure. So BitBar. And then if you pull this up, sorry, I'm literally recording with my phone, one hand action here. You have the little stickers for once you, in the little screw here, to basically secure this with the case. That way, and then you'll seal it with the tape. That way you know that when it's been messed with. You get 4 of these basically plates of letters. There's basically, you know, the alphabets A through Z. So that'll be more than enough to do your probably 24 words. The problem I have right now is I haven't figured out how to put all 24 words in here, because as you can see, you know, this is, let's see how many letters is that, 2, 4, so that's about 7 letters. So there's no way you can fit 7 words into each of these. So you may have to maybe shorten the letters. You know, so in this case, for example, I tried, okay, what if you have the word sister? So you can do 4 letters to represent each word phrase. And then here's for rotate. But again, it's very confusing because rotate, and you can also do rattle. So you don't really know which word it's supposed to be. So email the BitBar, waiting to hear back. But you can for sure do 2 full words in each row, and that will cover, will fit into each of these slots, and it will cover a 12 words seed phrase. And then you just simply insert this into the slot. Oh, that might be wrong direction there. So let's see. There you go. You just insert it. Basically push this in. That will basically snap in. This is the only way to get it out. And that's your BitBar. So pretty cool.